Whoa, whoa. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. If you hear a siren, next time if you hear a siren, please stop. Stop whatever you're doing, because look at this. Yes. I had almost stopped. This is one of these curious videos that I've seen online, and wow, guys, let us watch this.
Yeah, Jet, they're running. Stand by, right. Going over in 12. Okay, guys, they're running over in 12. Bridge, no, direction Elridge. Yeah, guys, come.
Keep us updated.
This guy of the motorbike. Do you see this guy? The motorbike. This guy. Just watch here. This guy with the motorbike. Watch. Almost. They almost got him. You know, at this speed. Said I was going to be hit by this car, or he's going to be hit by the car that you are seeing on the screen. Eish, these guys.
Keep us updated.
Left onto ridge.
I'm coming onto the roundabout bridge now. So team 12, they're going to make their way that way.
Yeah, positive. Take note. They're chasing. They're running like fucking hooligans. Going into oncoming traffic. I'm going to lose these oaks. You guys need to push.
He's gone. Look at the
Yeah,
gap.
approaching Trichat.
Can't see him.
Left onto Trichat, direction Olivia's. Left onto Trichat. Okay, straight, Yaldwin.
Whoa. Look at this. Look at this. If you hear a siren, next time if you hear a siren, please stop. Stop whatever you're doing, because look at this.
Standing by the roundabout for 812. I'm standing here in case they come this way.
Can't
Okay,
see.
someone just up that sniper group. Straight onto Yaldwin.
Here. Look. You see that car? That red car that is there? Yes. I had almost stopped.
Straight on the outside. Driving on the 812, heading towards Jet Boksburg.
Yeah, guys, approaching roundabout on Yaldwin. They're running.
It's not even this car.
Okay, straight over roundabout. Direction Woodfield.
Yeah, he's flying.
Harvey, boss yellow.
Okay, guys, I've lost.
Roundabout. Going straight towards Jet Boksburg, Yaldwin Road.
Okay, guys, they've lost the tire. They've lost the left rear tire. Right towards RTC.
And the guy is flying. Look at this.
Guys, once they've got to get, they're going to jump and run. I need hands here. Come.
We're coming. We're not behind you.
Okay, left. Direction Empress.
Oh,
Guys,
yes, green, that's
behind me. Come.
That guy, and again, you see that guy, which him do of the bike. Do you see them? Here, I think should be checkers. Should be checkers. He's lucky that the road is wide. Very lucky.
Okay, guys, approaching Griffiths. Approaching Griffiths.
The tie is gone. Do you see that? Do you see that? You guys see this? The tie is gone. It's gone. The tie is gone. How are these guys moving though?
Okay, they've lost the tire completely. They're going to lose this car now. They're going to lose this car now. I'm going to need hands here.
On the rim.
They're looking for something in this vehicle, guys. I don't have a vest on.
Imagine the rim is going this fast. Look at this. Guys, this guy is flying on a rim.
Okay, guys, straight over. Direction Empress. Straight over. Direction Empress. We in front of Empress entrance now.
Guys, sometimes I just think when we get involved in accidents and you hear people get involved in accidents and a tire just burst, you hear a terrible accident. But this guy is flying and I think he has moved over 5 kilometers on a rim. This is crazy. Look at this. And the car is not even shaking.
Okay, past Empress. Past Empress. We're heading our Tambu side. Guys, you're going to need to catch up.
He's even put hazards on.
Yeah, someone update sniper group. We're going to have to activate Kimpton, guys.
It's going to the airport.
Okay, approaching R21. We're approaching R21.
I think this happened during the Christmas time because you can see this place is empty or it was on a Sunday. I know this place. It's normally, if you go here, there will be guys who will be selling here on the side. There will be guys who will be selling on the side there. You see where this other car is? But looks like it's not. There are not so many people because people use this road to come to the airport and some going to Emperor's Palace. But it looks like the road was empty. And the guy is moving.
Okay, going past R21. South African Airways Park now. Approaching the bridge that goes under R21. That goes Jet Park, gosh. Yeah, guys.
Look at this Metro police guy.
They're running.
They don't even follow the pursuit. They don't, join the pursuit.
They're running.
You see? This is Metro. Almost. Those guys who are there.
Okay, they're going underneath the R21. Underneath the R21. Okay, left, back to Griffiths. Left, back to Griffiths.
This guy is flying on a rim. Yeah.
Guys, the trucks cut me off. They're
Yes.
still going straight. They're still going straight
this.
direction Griffiths.
This guy is gone. He's
Pretoria
gone.
Road, off Pretoria Road.
Not anywhere in the picture. Not even this one. It's gone.
Okay, we're going direction Jet Park again. Direction Jet Park, approaching Griffiths. Approaching Griffiths on Pretoria Road.
Look at this car. Yes. It's out of the road.
Ja, dit is op die agterpad, op Pretoria Road. By Griffiths nou, hulle gaan reguit. Stop hulle!
It's the tracker, guys. Look at this. Look at this guy. Sure. He's gone. This guy must have been a taxi driver. He's no longer in the road. And the car is still stable. Look at this. Overtaking the police vehicle.
Yeah, we tried to box it in at Griffiths. He jumped the pavement.
There we go. No. Oh, that's another vehicle. Those guys are flying. There you go. Got him. You hear the sound of the dog? That if he wanted to run, you were going to catch him. It's two of the guys. Well done, guys. There you see it. What car is this? It's a VW. Wow. Crazy stuff that is happening in South Africa. It's like a movie. Oh. And I want to upload the driver of the vehicle that we are seeing on screen. But also, kudos to the driver. Of course, he lost the tire. And I don't think, if this driver was going to be driving, if his car didn't have a puncture or he didn't lose the tire, these guys were going to catch him. Because this guy was really flying. And if he had been on an open road, I tell you,